Hi everyone, NJC here with you. I hope you guys are staying safe at home, and in case you all are on the move, I really hope that you are wearing a double mask as is recommended, using sanitizers frequently, and also maintaining social distancing and so on. To begin with, those of us living in India are living at a time where things are really getting bad, or rather getting from bad to worse. All because of an invisible enemy that wants to kind of befriend us. I'm sure you must have guessed it by now. Yes, it is none other than coronavirus. As I speak, there are deaths happening every hour, or rather every half an hour, every minute. It is really sad to note that this time, COVID is not sparing anyone. What is our government doing? From sleeping to looting to taking people's lives directly or indirectly due to corruption or mismanagement. The High Court has pulled up the Goa government for mismanagement, while the Supreme Court has pulled up the central government. But no matter the efforts that are being put in to curb the virus, none of it is working. Till today, across the globe, we do not have a single vaccine that has proven 100% perfect. So what do we do? Is this the end of life? No, not really. There is a saying that goes, all you need to do is ask and you shall get. Ever heard about the immune system? Yeah, we all have heard about the immune system, but none of us really paid attention to it until COVID hit us last year in a very big way. You know what's amazing to note is that there is no one drug or vaccine that can actually kill a virus entirely. But if your immune system is strong and really strong, it can kill the same virus in its entirety. And the same applies to that of COVID-19. I have been associated with a company that deals with the immune system and the immune system primarily, as that is where all illnesses actually directly or indirectly begin and end. Now, I have been with this company for about 5 years, and that's the knowledge I want to share with you. Now, the choice is all yours. Would you like to spend a few days in a hospital spending lakhs of rupees, or would you like to treat yourself from home within the comfort of your own house at a price less or quarter the amount of what you would spend in the hospitals? The simplest example is how the COVID-19 cases are being treated in private hospitals. Now, for that, you need to have an open mind, you need to have a listening ear, because I can bet you 100% that what I got or the knowledge I have can help you build an immune system that is much stronger. How beautiful is that? So the choice is yours. Are you willing to listen? Well, my contact details are at the end of this video and in the description below. Feel free to give me a call, WhatsApp me, or email me. The choice is all yours. The solution is out here. All you need to do is ask. This is NJC signing off. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.